I don't want to go traveling with you. As simple as that. You got the choice. You are an asshole, you know that? It's an amazing adventure, really. It's nice to be a local sometime, instead of being like tourists all the time. Here we go. Alright, so we're gonna use MAGLEV from city center to the airport. To the airport, right? So we're gonna use MAGLEV from city center to the airport. To the airport, right? That one. It's a sign like the rail is, the train is hanging on the rail, isn't it? It's not hanging. It's levitating above. It's gliding. Yeah, it's gliding. Right. Let's go, guys. To Pudong Airport. 100. What time? 20. 9:20. Okay. And 10 to finish?
10 minutes.
In 10 minutes, right.
Okay, two people, please.
There's a ticket?
Yeah, ticket to receipt.
Oh, receipt as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Here?
Look like you're going to the airplane. Oh, thank you. This is really good. Thank you so much. You're helping me. So just use this one, yeah? First time, MAGLEV. Right. So we're going to Pudong. Come on, mate. This is the train. MAGLEV. Magnetic levitation train. So it's only in Shanghai, the fastest airline, the fastest train in the world, you know. It's about 435 kilometers per hour. So from here, if you take a normal train, it's gonna take you about 45 minutes, but with this train only 8 minutes, right? They have VIP, so look at that, VIP class as well, which is 150 yuan per person. And then we got economy class, which is 50 yuan per person, which is only £6. We start boarding now. And then look like you're going to the airplane. Wow, the size is big. Look at that. Sit wherever you want. So it's not many people, because I think for some of them it's quite expensive, because the normal train you only pay for £1. See more inside, guys. Normal camera is there. Oh, it's just like how is it? That side to that side is like size of the airplane, but you don't feel like you're on the train, to be honest. To be honest, it's not something like what in my mind before, but yeah. Guys, about to start with this, just a special station for this MAGLEV, and we see the speed later, eh? Here we go, going up, going up, going up. science fiction train. It just looks like normal train.
Look at the track. There is no wheels.
Yeah, there's no track whatsoever, no rail, basically. It's just like this.
Yeah, because it have metal magnetics on the each side. This is the magnetic rails.
Magnetic each side. That's all. And the train is elevated. It's amazing. Start it, guys.
Here we go. And it went.
That's it. That's how it goes. Right. See you next time.
See you guys later. Alright.
I don't want to go traveling with you. Simple as that. You got a choice. You are an asshole, you know that? It's an amazing adventure, really. It's nice to be a local sometime, instead of being like tourists all the time.